Yes, children, now after that first column, now second you write name of the acid and sources. Means this again second column you draw on another page, and here in this in this tabular form, in first column we will write name of the acids, all the acids here, and here we write sources, means from where we are getting these acids. So first acid name is tartaric acid. This tartaric acid we get from tamarind. Tamarind means imli. And tannic acid. Tannic acid we get from tea. Malic acid. This acid we get from apples. Citric acid we get from pineapple, grapes, or you can write here lemon, orange. Okay, write any two names. And carbonic acid from cold drinks. Ascorbic acid we get from mango, tomato and amla. Okay children, so this is the second column, or we can say this is the second table which you form write in this way. I'll send you pic also of this page, so you note down this. But first column you have to make your own. Understand? So after this we now we will start question answers. So let's start question number 1. Name the acid present in these fruits. Pineapple, grapes, oranges and lemon. Means which acid is present in these fruits? The above fruits are having citric acid. You know that oranges, grapes, pineapple, they all are having citric acid. So second question is, what is the pH value of stomach acid and Jalusil acid? pH value, here don't write acid because Jalusil is not a acid. Okay, Jalusil is a base. So pH, the pH value of stomach acid, which is HCl or hydrochloric acid, is 1 and Jalusil is 10. Okay, Jalusil is a base, so its pH value is 10 and hydrochloric acid value is 1. So question number 3 is, which acid is used to make soft drinks? Just now in this table we have seen that in cold drinks carbonic acid is there. So its answer is carbonic acid is used to make soft drinks. Question number 4. What is the range of pH scale of strong base? Children, I have shown you that pH paper in the last class, that how we can find out the value of pH, means hydrogen ion concentration, and here they ask about the strong base, means NaOH is a strong base. So what is the range of pH value of this base? So the range of pH scale of strong base is, NaOH is 12 to 14 pH. You know that from after 7 I told you that after 7, from 7 to 14 pH is falling for bases. Okay, so it is a strong base, so its value falls in between the 12 to 14. Okay, now question number 5. Name the base which extensively used as an antacid. Milk of magnesia is the base which is extensively used in as an antacid. Here you write as, and this is an, okay, as an antacid. You know, I have explained you when we were reading the chapter. That time also we have seen that milk of magnesia is a base, and it always means most of the people they use this milk of magnesia as a antacid during the acidity problem. So question number 6 is, what is the common name of the sodium bicarbonate? Baking soda is the common name of sodium bicarbonate. Okay children, so this much question answers today you will do. Write down all of them in your science notebook, because these are the short answers, means very short we can say, or short answers. Under the heading of short answer you can write down, and after that in the next class I'll give you next answers. Okay, so note down your work side by side, because children, now very soon we will call your copies again for copy correction. So complete your work side by side, and if you have any pending work, that also you complete it. Understand? So Jai Gurudev.